The marbled murrelet is a small seabird that is found along the Pacific Ocean. And like most seabirds, it forages in nearshore waters. But what's unique about it is that it moves inland to nest in old late successional conifer forests. And so one of the challenges of conserving this species is to actually manage for habitat that it uses for nests. And so to fill that research gap, we've initiated a project to try and understand the connection between forest management practices and nesting success of this threatened species.
What we're hoping to find out from this study are what the specific habitat characteristics are that marbled murrelets need, not just for nesting, initiating nests, but for having successful nests. There have only been about 70 nests found in Oregon to date, and only about 30 of those nests were active either with an egg or a chick in them at the time. So we have a very small sample size on active nests and what productivity is like for these birds. So we have a very labor-intensive field season planned. Our first step will be to catch marbled murrelets at sea.
To do so, we go out at night. We actually offload a capture team that goes out using small inflatable rafts called Zodiacs.
One person in the boat will spotlight the bird, and then another person will scoop up the bird with a net. And then we'll be able to attach a radio transmitter that will allow us to track them back to their nests.
Some of these nests may be a couple hundred feet off the ground, and they're really challenging to see from the ground. And so we're using drones with thermal infrared cameras to help us locate those nests much more efficiently than we might do being on the ground.
So what we have is a large comprehensive research project where we better try to understand how and when these birds come on shore and what types of forest structures they're found in. This is critical because if we're going to try to adjust our management practices, we need to know where are the birds and when and how are they using those forests? In what quantity are they using these forests? Because that way we're able to adjust both our conservation practices and our management practices to meet as many of these shared objectives as possible.